Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to attempt to transform into Stella Cini. She's Maltese like me and also on YouTube. So without further ado, let's jump right into this transformation. Okay, so I started out by removing the hair out of my face and changing my eye color. Then I covered my eyebrows with glue, powder, concealer, and foundation. In these imaginary templates of love. Before I set the eyebrows, I wanted to extend the foundation to my forehead so it looks more blended. Then I followed with a lot of powder on my eyebrows. I used face tapes to make my face look smoother and slimmer jawline. Then I drew my eyebrows with a light brown brow powder. It's too hard to accept. And I applied foundation to the rest of my face. Everything is behind, everything is behind. Everything is behind, everything is behind, everything is behind. With a very dark cream bronzer, I started to draw the features to hopefully change my features looking into hers. I alter between a medium brown and a deep brown bronzer or contour, and I blend everything each time so that I don't have harsh lines. In my memory, no excess. I won't suffer. I knew the answer long ago. Feelings can't be returned, but I don't regret it. Time will fly by, I'll become stronger again. I'll find happiness within, even without you. Love is behind me. It's too hard to accept, but I wanted to tell you. It's too hard to accept, but I wanted to tell you. Everything is behind, everything is behind, everything is behind. Everything is behind, everything is. One of the most effective effects is when I cut the jawline with the deep brown, and for Stella, I needed to do more than the jawline. I even tried to make a thinner neck and narrower face. Not sure it worked, but that's what I had in mind. Dancing to the rhythm of deep house, the bass will drown out the sorrow. I'll let it all go at once, laughing at fate might steal. It's too hard to accept, but I wanna tell you. Everything is behind, everything is behind. Everything is behind, everything is behind, everything is behind. Next, I applied blush, which now, looking back on it, it looks a little bit much, to be honest. Anyway, I then started to highlight some areas that I want more prominent. I used my fingers to blend because I didn't want to spread the light concealer too much. I applied a tad bit of powder contour and added highlighter to my cheeks, brow bone, and nose. Then I added a few freckles, but nothing too dramatic. Time for eyeshadow. If you know Stella, she likes to match her eyeshadow to her hair, so I'm going to create a look from hers with blues and turquoise. She also likes to make graphic eyeliner. Happiness within, even without you. Love is behind me. It's too hard to accept, but I wanted to tell you. It's too hard to accept, but I wanted to tell you. A few coats of mascara and lined my lips. For the lips, I feel like we have similar lip shapes, so I didn't really do much. Everything is behind, everything is behind, everything is behind. Then I darkened the eyebrows a little and finished with false lashes. Everything is behind, everything is behind. And there's the final look. I selected this wig because it's honestly the most adventurous wig that I owned, so it screamed Stella to me. I hope you enjoyed this transformation. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing because it helps me a lot. If you don't already follow Stella, I'll leave her channel link below. Go check her content out. She's amazing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Happiness within, even without you. Love is behind me. It's too hard to accept.